Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add background in Snapseed. Adding a new background to an image on Snapseed involves a few steps and might require some creative use of app tools. Snapseed does not have a direct feature for changing the backgrounds, but you can use tools like double exposure to achieve the similar effect. So let's go ahead and get started. Launch Open Snapseed application, and once you get to the main homepage, tap on the middle of the screen. In order to get to these options, you can now select an image from your device's camera roll. And once you select an image from your device's camera roll, go ahead and make initial adjustments to your main image, such as brightness, contrast, crop, image tune, tuning image, etc. Once you've done that, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Tools. Now select the double exposure option at the very bottom inside the menu, and you will be able to apply double exposure. Tap on the image with a plus icon at the bottom left and add another image. Once you select another image, you can now go to the bottom and select this opacity option, tap the blending mode. Now go to the bottom of the screen and click on this eraser kind of an icon and try different blending options like overlay, lighten, darken, etc. Go to the bottom left and choose this little water drop kind of icon and select the intensity of the opacity. Use the slider to blend it with the main image, and that way you will be able to blend the image as well. Now you can get back to the main home screen and then position and resize the background. Pinch and drag to resize the position of the background image as needed to cover the main image properly. And once you do that, tap the little check mark at the bottom right hand corner. Now you can export or save the edited image according to your desire. And that's how you will be able to add background on Snapseed. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.